Hi and welcome back to my channel. I start off by saying thank you for all my new subscribers. It's much appreciated. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It'll help my channel grow and give me encouragement. And please always leave comments. It's much appreciated. Colonel, I've come to my aid, and I've got a local here that's a lot cheaper than an alternative, and it works with no problems. So let's see what I got. And as you can see, it's a Hornby Railroad Class 37 network rail. And this cost me, including postage, just short of £69. I have got a TTS decoder to fit to this locomotive, but it's in my my black hole where all my boxes are. So I'll have to dig it out to fit to this loco. There's its number there. It's R30044 Network Rail Class 37 Ffestiniog and Welsh Highland Railways. It's 97302. And you get metal etched nameplates with it as well. It comes with the usual paperwork. Instructions there. Running hints. Routine maintenance. Lubrication. It's got the lubrication points there, the wheels. And it's clips either side to lift the body off. And it's 8-pin DCC socket. And normal television suppression information. Let's see, it comes with these metal etched nameplates. Ffestiniog and Welsh Highland Railways. There's holes in the back of this polystyrene so you can get the model out. After my exploits with the Curascale 37, that the sound kept cutting out when I was running it, I decided to send that back and ask for a full refund, because I'm tired of getting stuff and it's not been perfect with the Curascale. So I went and got this model, and this cost me, like I say, including postage, just short of £69. Then he fitted TTS decoder. At the time when I bought it, it was about £30. So this loco altogether will cost me £100 for a sound fitted loco, which makes it £160 cheaper than the Curascale. Yes, the detail on the locomotive isn't up to the detail of the Curascale model, but the difference is this will work. I won't have to send this back because these locomotives from Hornby are really good, and I've got no complaints with a TTS decoder neither. So I decided to bite the bullet. Let's say I've sent the Curascale back, and that's the last locomotive I will ever purchase from a Curascale, because I just can't guarantee on me getting stuff that's okay, that's perfect in every way. And when you're paying £270, you expect it to work. Let's say this one will be the equivalent of £100. So I've saved 160 quid. Who needs all the whistles and flutes that the Curascale have with the detail? Most of it falls off anyway. So I'm very, very happy with this Hornby locomotive. Put the flash on so we can have a good look. I say maybe the cabs and all that aren't detailed, but I'd rather have a low detailed item that actually runs, that doesn't cause me headaches. I say there isn't any detailing in the cabs, so that is a little bit disappointing. But like I say, just to have it running round on the layout instead of sat there, it's well worth it. When this is travelling around your layout anyway, you wouldn't notice half the stuff. I say no, it's not detailed. For its price, I wouldn't expect it to be. But at least I'll have a locomotive that I can enjoy and not give me heartache. Curascale do make good items. They make very good wagons, coaches and accessories. But we're having 4 locomotives that just haven't run properly, sounded properly, and bits not falling off. I'm disheartened with them totally. Let's say you can't fault, well, we can fault the wagons in some ways because they catch when you go around corners, as you've seen with my HYAs that I had to modify by filing the bogies. But really the detail on them is really, really good. So I'll still be purchasing wagons and coaches from Curascale and their accessories. The accessories are really good. But like I say, today we're concentrating on this Hornby locomotive. So I'll put it on my test track and just make sure it moves, which there will be no problem with this at all. And once I do get my TTS decoder found, I'll get it fitted and it'll be running around my loop. But I envisage no problems at all. And as you can see, it runs no bother. I say maybe it's not got the same detail, which it hasn't, of the Acura scale, but for a fraction of the price. I just want a nice Network Rail yellow 37 at the end of the day. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll get this video uploaded, and what I say, happy birthday to Danny at Ivor Junction for today. I hope all your dreams come true with what you would like to have, and I hope all your models will work perfectly okay, and you have a great day, mate. So happy birthday to Danny.